Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my updated lazy girl curly hair routine. Please excuse my no makeupness right now. I forgot to do an intro for this video, so that's why I'm hopping on here doing an intro before I put this video up. But this is one of my favorite routines to do when I don't have a whole lot of time to do like my full drawn out curl reset routine that you guys have probably seen me do. If you haven't, check it out in our curly hair routines playlist, and that routine usually takes me a full Sunday to do. But this is the routine that I do, like I said, when I don't have a whole lot of time, or if I'm PMSing or something, or if I just simply do not feel like doing my full drawn out routine, which usually consists of a lot of steps and a lot of like leave-on products, because you guys know I'm typically a leave-in conditioner, cream and gel kind of girl, but for this routine it's not as drawn out. So this routine will also be perfect for people who are starting out their curly hair routine, or if you're restarting your curly hair journey. Wherever you are in your journey, I just feel like this routine will be perfect for you, because I know everybody doesn't always have a whole lot of time to do like a full like curl reset routine. But I just love this routine because it's never failed me. It's one of my tried and true routines that saves me a ton of time, and I still end up loving the results. So I thought this would be the perfect time to share with you guys my updated lazy girl curly hair routine. So yeah, my hair is still looking great. By the way, I forgot to mention, like in the voiceover, this routine usually lasts me about 3 to 5 days. So my hair usually lasts around 3 to 5 days. If you guys are wondering, it's kind of pros and cons to this routine, because I don't get my full like 8-day wash and go, but I can stretch it if I need to. That's usually with anything, the more time you take on it, the longer it'll last. So that is a downside to this routine, that I can't get a full 8 days out of my wash and go, but I can get up to 5 days out of my wash and go. And for most curly girls, that's still a win-win. Yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling now, and we're gonna go ahead and hop into the routine. I will have a full list of all the products that I'm using today and I'm mentioning in today's video in the description box if you guys are interested. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into my updated lazy girl curly hair routine that is also beginner friendly. Okay guys, so step 1, you want to use a hydrating shampoo. Here are some of my favorites that I've been loving recently, but today I'm going to be using the Amica Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Shampoo. So for this particular routine, you want to go in with a hydrating shampoo because you're not going to be using that many leave-on products, so you don't want to strip your hair too much with a clarifying or detox shampoo. You kind of want a shampoo that retains the moisture in your hair as much as possible, and this Hydro Rush does a really good job at doing that. And I only wash once instead of twice. I know you're supposed to wash twice, but this is a lazy girl curly hair routine. Step 2, a hydrating hair mask. Here are some of my favorites that I've been loving recently, and also one of them, of course, over the past few years, but today I'm going to be using the Amica Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Mask. So with this particular routine, I usually just skip conditioner and go right into a hair mask because it's not always necessary, especially if you're in a rush. And if I had to choose between the two, I will always choose a hair mask over regular conditioner, just because it's just thicker in texture and it's always a little bit more intensified in like moisture. So that's why I recommend just go ahead and going in with a hair mask and just skipping conditioner with this particular routine. And with this routine, I always half rinse the hair mask out, so I leave a little bit of the hair mask in, so my hair is still super easy to maneuver through as I'm applying my styling product. So just leaving a little bit of the mask in is going to help you get through the styling process faster. So step 3, a curling jelly or custard. Here are 3 of my faves of all time. They all work fantastic. Today I just happen to be using the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and this is the only styling product you're going to use. So as far as a jelly or a custard, they're just the perfect one product wash and go products, because not only do they hydrate your hair, but they also define your hair. So they give you really good hold while also maintaining the moisture and hydration in your hair. So they're just a nice one-stop shop. And I would have to say jellies and custards are probably the best investments when it comes to buying curly hair products and stylers, because like I said, they do more than one thing. So I'm just gonna be raking this in my hair. I'm not gonna be doing anything special. And I'm just going to be finishing with the prayer hands method and doing the exact same thing to the other side. And of course I did wet plop before I got out of the shower, and then after I took my wet plop out, I just got ready to air dry for about 20 minutes. And then I put on this silk cape thing that Kendra put me on that I've been loving. This thing is amazing if you like to air dry your hair, or if you have a lot of frizz on the back of your hair while doing your hair. So I love this. I'll have it linked down below. And of course I'm going to be fan drying my hair. You can also use a hooded dryer if you don't want to use a fan, or if you don't have a fan. So a hooded dryer or a fan is perfect if you don't really feel like using a diffuser, because that is labor, and this is a lazy girl curly hair routine. So yeah. So here's my hair the next day, completely dried. So this is my hair before putting any oil in it or anything. So my hair looks pretty defined, and it still has enough volume to the point where my hair doesn't look flat or anything. So I'm just adding some of my argan oil from OGX. I've been loving this oil. It smells amazing. So I just put some of that in my ends, and that is pretty much it. So I've been swearing by this routine if I don't have a lot of time to do my hair. It's just one of my go-to routines. It's amazing. So if you're a mom on the go, or if you're a beginner with a curly hair routine and you don't really know where to start, this is the perfect start for you, because this routine has everything you need in it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have a full product list in the description box of all the products I used and mentioned today. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.